Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are looking the chapter number 3, data handling. Exercise 3.1. Find the range of heights of any 10 student of your class. So first of all, it means that is an imagine thing. So height of a student in class, that will be approximately I have written here, or can be, you can write the another numbers here. And range means that means highest height is 150 and then minus lowest height, that is 138, 136, 135, 135, and then subtraction of both, that will be answer 15 centimeter. Okay, so first of all you will be write the 10 student of your height of 10 student of your class, and then range means highest of these data and lowest of these data, that subtraction will be range. Second question, organize the following marks in class assessment in a tabular form. 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, that means given the data. And then first of all you will be draw a graph of this tabular sheet. You will be draw that thing. How you will be draw tabular sheet? Like this. First of all see the question, then after I will be make a tabular sheet. That first, which number is highest? Which number is highest? See that 9 is highest. 9 is highest. Which number is lowest? Lowest is 1. Second, third, what is the range of the data? Range means, you know that range is equal to highest minus lowest is equal to 8. Fourth, find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, this is the short form of arithmetic mean, that sum of all data upon number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, that will be 20. And then after you will be add all. You will be add the all. When you will be add these things, that will become maybe 10, that 10, that will be 100 upon 20, 25 ja 100, so that is 5 answer, right? This is also answer, this is also answer, this is also answer, right? Now we will make the tabular, so that will be, here you can see that tabular, that marks and then tally marks, that frequency, that will be, and then 1, 2, that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So now you will be see how many times 1 is given in this data. 1 given only that one time, so that is frequency is 1 and tally marks is also 1. 2 how many time is given there? 2, that 2 time I think, 1 time, 2 time, so that is a frequency 2, and tally marks will be 2. 3, how many time is given? 3. This also given, oh sorry, 1 time is given that. So 1, that will be 1 tally marks. 4, that is given 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 looking, yes 3, that is 3 time. So 1, 2, 3. 5, how many time is given there? 5, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5 will be like cross. 6, that is given 1, 2, 3, 4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will be right 4. And then 7, how many time is given there? 7, that's a 2 time. 1, 2, that 2. And 8, 1 time, that 1. And 9, that will be also 1 time. So this is the tabular sheet of question number 2. And then question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole number. First 5 whole number is this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then sum of these, that will be, 5. So 10. 10 upon 5, 5 2 ja 10, that is 2 answer. Question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. So that is a given 8 innings, and then find the mean. Mean means sum of these, arithmetic mean or mean, that is the same thing. And then how many time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 time. And then sum of these, that will be 400. 8 5 ja, and then 0, 50. That 50 is mean answer. Question number 5. That table is given in your book, and then first find the mean to determine a average number of point score per game. So first part, that solution, that mean is equal to that 14, 16, 10, 10. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. That upon 4 is equal to 4, 6, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upon 4. That cancel 12.5. When you will be cancelled, that 12.5 will come. This is the answer. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total point by 3 or by 4? Second solution, 3. Why? Because C has played only 3 games. Third game did not play. So we will divide by 3. Third part, that solution, B play in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? So mean is equal to that will be 0864. 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 upon, that is 4. 10, 18 upon 4. So that will be 4.5. 4.5 by cancel. Who is the best performer? Fourth part, solution. Who is the best performer? A, because A average is or mean is greater. Now the question number 6. See that 6. Six is to 2 mark out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85. These are marks. Find the highest and lowest marks. 6, that first part. Solution, highest. First is highest marks. Highest is equal to, see that highest, that will be 95. Lowest, that will be, lowest is equal to 35. 35. Second part, you will be see the table, then you will be range of the marks obtained. So range is equal to, you know, range is equal to highest minus lowest. Highest minus lowest, that will be 56 by subtraction. Third part, that will be mean marks obtained by the group. So mean marks means, first of all we will write in plus 85 plus 76, 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 48, 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 81, 95 plus 81 plus 75, and then upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is 10. So that will be, add of these, that will be 730. When you will be add these things, that will be 730. So that is 73 answer. And then seventh question. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follow. This is given. Find the mean. So that mean is equal to, same thing. First of all write in plus 1,555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 upon that 1 2 3 4 5 6 time is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 time. Here also we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? And then add the all. 5 3 8, no carry. 5 7 12 5 17 18 4 22 2 24, carry 2. 5 to 7 6 13 7 20 25 8 33, carry 3. 3 1 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and then upon 6 2 ja 12, and then 0 6 5 ja 30, 6 7 ja 48, that is 2057. Question number 8. Question number 8, first part. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follow. In table is given. Find the range of the rainfall in above data. Range is equal to highest 20.5, lowest is 0.0. So that is 20.5 degrees Celsius. degree Celsius. Second, that solution, find the mean rainfall for the week. Mean is equal to sum of the data 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0, and then how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 days is given. 2 3 5 8 5 13. Carry 1 3 4 5 10 11. Carry 1 1 2 3 4 4 upon 7. So 6, that 7 5 ja 35, and then left is 6 66, 6 7 9 ja, that 5.9 degree Celsius. Next, on how many days? Third part, on how many days were the rainfall less than mean rainfall? Mean rainfall, that will be, that's a 5.9 is a mean rainfall. So less than of 5.9, that will be 1 2 3 4 5. So that will be 5. Question number 9, that is only last question of this exercise. 9, first part, that the height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and result are follow there. This one, what is the height of the tallest girl? So that is tallest girl, see that 151. Second part, that is what the height of the shortest girl, that is 128. Third part, that what the range is equal to, you know that, highest minus lowest, that 11 less 8, 3 4 less 2, 23. Fourth part is how many girls, now what is the mean height of the girls? So mean is equal to, space is less, so I will be write the just smaller font, 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 plus 151 plus 132 plus 146 plus 149 plus 143 plus 141, right? So add the all things. We will add that will be, and upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then add the all, that will be, that will become, so when you will be divided by 10, then decimal will come here. Fifth part, how many girls have height more than mean marks, mean height, that is 5. Those are the more height of mean height, that is a 5. Okay.